episode ikurikiye. Mana yanjye.
It has to end.
Ibi bintu bigomba kurangira mwana. Umve.
Oh wait, I'm going to splash some water on my face.
Umva reka njye kwitera amazi mu maso ndaje.
Whatever.
Ibyo ari byo byose wana w'insozi. Show. Ni yamani hakuno. Bivutse iyi filimi ica kuri Star Times.
Enjoy.
Kuri decoder ya Star Times kuri chaîne yitwa Ganza TV. Ko yakazamutse hejuru X araza. Ubundi mu by'ukuri ntago ari X. Ariko kubera ko yamana afite akandi ari gutereta kandi ka Leila. Akeneye odiro. Kaja.
It's a tense business situation.
Cyari ikibazo cya business papa yaramamagariye.
Where's Nelly?
Yamana aje mu bwiherero. Hakuno rebe. Kumbi Ria aramukurikiye.
Is Ria really going after Yaman right now?
Koko se Ria akurikiye Yaman nonaha we cyangwa?
Now, Alice.
Alice simbizi. Ni Alex. Ibyabo byararangiye wana. Bari kuri diro bashaka telefone y'umukobwa bestarimo application yo kumuraburiza kugira ngo bamuvanemo amabanga ya se.
What? Alex.
Iki Alex?
Tried it before?
Cyako nari kumureba do. Kobwa nari kubareba. Yamani yaje hakuno kugera nasanga Lia. Napfuye ndahiye kabisa ko yakavuye muri toilet. Koko.
Ria.
Ria.
You move away.
Vira mu nzira nakwiyama.
Who do you think you're fooling? You couldn't even take your eyes off me down there.
Wa mukinga urakeka ari uri kugira ikigoryi. Numva naho n'amaso.
I'll look away. If you
watumutse ukamva imbere.
You've been watching me like an eagle.
Kandi ari wewe wandebaga ahubwo wakabije bikabije.
You're so in love with me.
Bisa nkaho ukinkunda Yamani wikwigira gutyo rwose wikwigira gutyo Yamani. Urankunda urabizi sibyo?
Ria, will you let me go?
I will not.
Ria wandeka nkagenda ntago nkureka. I'm not sinkureka. Ugenda suje. Kombe hakuno ka Leila nako do. Gakunda Yamani kamugire crush karamukara washinze. Kazamutse hakurya. Hejuru ka Leila. Ibuke ni gashiki katiyo. Gasiga fone yako hano. Kandi aba ni telefone bashakaga nta n'ikindi kindi. Bestarimo application iri buvanemo amabanga yose. Okay?
What can I do to make you believe in me?
Basi niki cya nakora cyatuma unyizera. Leila umva ariko mombe be. Mayiro aramugotesha da. Wagwani. Churuba rubwombo. Hashe aba application igeze kuri 98 99 application ijabahara ije haragurumanya bahita mubika telefone amabanga yose barayafite ubu nukuvuga ngo telefone ya Leila Alex arayifite icyo bayishakamo cyose bakibona.
You better make up your mind.
Genda witekerezo wa mukinga. Genda witekerezo ubundi tuzabone dukomeza ibikurikira. Rebe abasa twasoje diro akagana n'ikindi kindi. Bestarimo application iri buvanemo amabanga yose. Okay?
What can I do to make you believe in me?
Basi niki cya nakora cyatuma unyizera. Leila umva ariko mombe be. Mayiro aramugotesha da. Wagwani. Churuba rubwombo. Hashe aba application igeze kuri 98 99 application ijabahara ije haragurumanya bahita mubika telefone amabanga yose barayafite ubu nukuvuga ngo telefone ya Leila Alex arayifite icyo bayishakamo cyose bakibona.
You better make up your mind.
Genda witekerezo wa mukinga. Genda witekerezo ubundi tuzabone dukomeza ibikurikira. Rebe abasa twasoje diro kabisa. Okay, beti none yareba umukobwa akunda ariko kubera dira ariwe umukobwa ashaka kuvanamo amakuru yigize nkaho yubatagikundana. Cyamwiriye yaje kumureba Kalia kaje akora. Gafite amarira felicitation sigaye akora muri aka kabari ka mushiki wa Leila n'ubu. Gafite amarira felicitation sigaye akora muri aka kabari ka mushiki wa Leila n'ubu. Felicitation twagezemo amakuru dushakamo twayabonye. Bibutse iyi filime ica kuri Star Times kuri chaîne ya televiziyo yitwa Ganza TV buri munsi kuva kuwa mbere kugera kuwa gatanu kuva saa 12 kugera saa 1 za nijoro. Sorry, kuva saa 1 kugera saa 2 ntazababeshye. Kumbe hakuno baje gupima abana ibizamini by'amaraso bamenye
Take a big breath.
blood groups zabo.
You can do more. Come
Can you
on.
make a fist for me?
Nawe yamane na Alex hakuno da.
There.
Natalie n'umuhungu n'umugabo mukunda. Mugabo nawe afite ikibazo.
Look at-
Ntakita ku mugore ahora kuri uyu mugore.
Look at these beautiful eyes.
Reba no maso meza ukuntu asa. Hakuno.
Now look over there.
Reba hariya hakurya. Baje gufata ibizamini by'amaraso we. Meze neza cyane.
It's like a fly bite. You'll barely feel it. Those
Urushinge ngiye kugutera uraza kurwiyumvamo ariko reba hakurya ntabwo urwumva.
Over there now.
Ngagenda hariya hakurya, genda hariya hakurya. Ni Natalie na George.
to the other side.
Are you coughing?
Reba ku rundi ruhande, genda ku rundi
But I
ruhande.
did it.
Hakuno hari akana kakana katavuga tuzi.
Actually, she can hear,
Arakumva
but she doesn't talk.
ariko ntabwo avuga. Kumva.
What is your name?
Izina ryawe ni nde? Kana kamucira amasi yakuno.
Melina.
Bamwita Melina.
Nice to meet you, Melina.
Cyiza guhura nawe Melina. Kana hano.
Actually, you can talk, right?
Ndabizi ko utabasha kuvuga sibyo?
You don't have a physical disability.
Ntabwo ari ikibazo cy'ubumuga ufite physical disability, ahubwo ni uko utabishaka, ntabwo ubikunda kuvuga.
What? Let me see.
Reka ndebe, ni nayo hakuno ari gusuzuma.
I'm glad Olga came along, aren't you?
Njye nshimishijwe nuko Olga yaje hakuno. We ntabwo biguteye ishema. Olga mwibuke ni umugore wa George. Nubwo George asigaye yita cyane kuri Natalie Dan uko yita kuri Olga.
I'll be right back.
Ndaje gato reka nitabe telefone ndaje.
Two.
Sinzi wamuhamagaye. Rebe. Yashana.
Hello?
Yego?
Sally?
Yego fan.
I didn't expect to hear from you so soon.
Ntabwo nari nzi ko ibintu umpamagara ako kanya.
Friend.
Ugacuti yanjye.
Zachary Demirhan.
Uriya mugabo Zachary Dima.
Why?
Iki?
Don't ask more, brother. I can't get
Wimbaza ibikabije wa mugabo we. Uriya mugabo n'umuriro wo kotera kure umugendere kure.
Chief.
Ushatse kuvuga? Ahita mukupa. Numbaza andi makuru ari kuri uyu mugabo ntabwo ari umugabo wo kumenyera byihuse. George hakuno. Mukanya bakiro hari izindi zaparitse. Mwibuke ni hehe? Ni munsi y'ikiraro Nyabugogo hamwe za marine zibera. Baje kugira gute gufata ibizamini by'abana bose bari muri ya fondasiyo yabo. Mukanya. Ba bagabo bagendana na Zachary Dima baje hakuno bivuze ngo Zachary Dima nawe barazanye. Dore umugabo to. Ni umurara mwibuka asigaye yikundishwa kuri Natalie. Gusa mu by'ukuri uko tubizi twebwe impamvu ibi bizamini byose biri gufatwa n'ubwabo batazi impamvu bari kubifata bategetswe nande na Stephen ari wagarariye ivuriro. Uko uyu mugabo Zachary Dima ashaka kumenya umwana baba bahuje amaraso wamuhereza ingingo. Hakuno uyu nguyu bose baramubona, bari kumubona do. Yaje hakuno Zachary Dima bigize nk'umuntu ufasha muri iyi fondasiyo cyangwa muri uyu muryango ufasha abana b'imbabare b'imfubyi bakuriye imihanda barine. Ubu mu by'ukuri nta mbabazi baba bafitiye umujinga. Reka wapi Jano.
Why don't you go after the girl and explain everything?
Ese kuki udakurikira Riya ngo ujye kumusobanurira ibintu
Are
byose?
you so angry with Ria, Yaman?
I am.
Koko Riya Yamani watandukanye na Riya
It's me because of her.
cyane. Jewe uriya mukobwa yarandaburije narababaye kubera we.
Oh, it doesn't sound that bad to me, brother.
Petit frere none se grand frere. Ibintu byose ntuzabigerekaho.
You could have left her to Alex. He would have taken care of her.
Urabizi ko n'ubundi uriya mukobwa yanze Alex agakunda we wakabaye kumusobanurira none iki?
We can get her calls and messages. There's no way she gets hold of this.
Uriya mukobwa ndabizi ko nta buryo azabasha kumva ibi ngibi nutabimusobanurira mbere. Shira agatelefone karasoni.
Carla is calling me.
Karira arampamagaye mwana. Sister.
Yes, Carla?
Yego Karira we.
Hello?
Uraho.
Come on, Caesar isn't here.
Sisa nawe uri hano Yamani. Kuki?
Where might have he gone to?
Yagiye
Did he
he?
tell you he was leaving?
I don't know. He was here.
Yigeze
but-
akubwira ko agiye kugenda simbizi ajya kugenda ntiyambwiye.
Okay, calm down.
Okay ngatuza.
Okay. Okay,
So?
got it. Bye.
Sawa bye. Gashikike.
Come on.
Mwana basa muzi n'ikindi twagiye. Bigenze bite se kandi?
Let's take care of this.
Reka tubyitore, reka tubyitore. Let's take care of this.
Okay.
Okay. Sawa.
Thank you.
Urakoze mwana. Muco. Uyu yasigaye hano ni Alex.
Thank you.
You?
Murakoze wowe.
Please.
Is this okay for you?
Ibi bimeze neza kuri wowe.
Thank you.
Hakuno wa mugabo Zakiri Dima yaje kwikundishwa ku bana bo mu muhanda do. Sinzi ibyabazaniye n'iki byose ari kubahereza impano kumva uyu mugabo turabizi twe nta keza ke.
Anyone else? Okay. Keep it going.
Okay, sawa, komeza.
Well,
Byiza.
Mr. Zachary, thank you very much indeed. I mean, they were crying about shots.
Wakoze cyane aba bana bari bari kurira kubera inshinge twagiye tubatera
World's a better
tubasuzuma.
place when children smile.
Ubundi iyi siba nziza cyane iyo abana bahari bishimye bari guseka.
Hey, Mr. Zachary. How did
Baruga ibi ni bibi.
We're here.
Naimini na
I'm
Tony.
very interested in the foundation. I couldn't come to your last organization, so I thought I'd make it up
Aba hakuno do.
for letting me know.
Ni abagabo bose bakunda umugore umwe baba bafitanyemo
I
n'utubifu.
think I realized that I should take an even more
Je
serious.
natekereje yuko wenda nakora ibirenze.
Goodness.
Byiza.
How could you conclude that? Because the management of the foundation doesn't belong to Miss Natalie.
Rero buriya management y'iki kigo ntabwo ikiri mu maboko ya Natali. Iri mu maboko ya Yamani umuhungu wanje na Natali. Oh. Erika.
Yamin Ali, your son?
Kumbe Yamani ari n'umuhungu wanyu mwembi cyane.
The doctor in Ms. Natalie's press conference, Dr. George,
I didn't.
is you.
Yes.
Niwe Natali yavuze ngo ni Dr. George mu itangazamakuru niwe ngiyewe kabisa.
His wife, Olga Aydin?
N'umugore we Olga hakuno yahita yitanguranwa ngo bitaza kuba bifu. Yarabyumva.
Is that so?
Kumbe nuko bimeze.
Thought you were one of the doctors at the hospital.
Ndakeka nawe uri umwe mu baganga muri ririya
A
vuriro.
surprise.
Urantunguye pe.
Very civilized work environment.
Sha bisa nkaho mubana nk'abasirimu abantu bagiye babyara naho abandi bakagira gute.
Overcomes these issues.
Mugakorana mukarenga ibyo bibazo byose murarenze. Kibabaje twarabirenze rero.
So,
Actually, we could have met before, but let's say that we couldn't as you came to the hospital with an army of guards, right?
Twe ntago ririya vuriro
Rather,
twarikurikiramo nk'uko warikiniyemo uzana igisirikare wajyaho ni igisirikare kivuye mu ijuru igisirikare cy'Imana. Hakuno.
Miss Olga, please
None se Miss
that
Olga.
up. I'm still very ashamed for Ms. Natalie about that. So,
Kuri na n'ubu ndacyumva mfite ishema isoni
Please don't.
byabaye kuri Natali.
I've already forgotten.
Oya njye narabyibagiyeho murabyihorere byihorere. Buryo yazanaga abantu b'ababounsa kwa muganga mu barwayi n'ibicigizo wa danje yabyimbye koko
Just curious. I see that you travel with a lot of men.
njye mfite amatsiko umuntu ugendana n'abagabo benshi ubundi bugiye kuba amaze iki
What do you transport?
ubundi utwara ibiki ko mbona ugendana n'abagabo nka miliyoni
anything you can think of. Honest.
ibyo watekereza ibyo ari byo byose njye mbyinjiza mu gihugu
What happens when you say everything that comes to mind, isn't it?
uzi iyo umubwiye ngo ibintu byose uzi ikintu kinza mu mutwe
If you have a special interest in logistics,
njye nkora logistics ninjiza ibintu mu gihugu akwa kundi mwumva ngo umuntu yinjiza amamodoka mu gihugu mutuma imodoka akayizana cyangwa kontineri ipakiye iki
it's not
n'ibiki
as much fun as drawing blood.
njye ibintu byose ndabikora kabisa nta kintu nakora ndabyumva ni dogiteri George
We have to get back to work here.
umva reka tube dusubiye mu kazi hano
Come out of your way to be here.
we nimba uraba udutegereje hano sinzi
Say, let's offer Mr. Zach a coffee.
cyangwa zaka tumwohereza agakawa bari kumwe
Then we can continue with the examination.
tuze gukomeza ibizamini ariko zaka nawe afite agakawa bari kunywa
It's about to go anyway.
hari ikibazo nabyo byaba ari sawa rata hakuno do
Well, I couldn't get the kids together. They're so scattered.
abana rero sinabasha kubahuriza rimwe baratatana
This dinner. We'll set up another time.
reka tuzabikora ubutaha okay byiza umugabo yaje hano azanye impano z'abana yagize nk'aho ari umwana mwiza gusa twe turabizi ko uyu mugabo nta keza ke yahemukiye Kayizari Siza George nawe afite ukuntu abatumva neza uyu mugabo abatanamukunda bamaze kumurabura baramubwira bati uyu mugabo nta keza kiwe
See you soon.
Mr. Zachary.
Mr. Zakali natwe dusubire mu kazi nakuzi nta keza ke wamuginga na nyina w'umwana we bakundanye kera baza gutandukana kuko basigaye bakorana mu kazi do hakuno urebe kuko cyatazi yamana aramurwaye umugabo yarahemukiye petit frere we bakuranye imihanda
You, should we get on with our work? We've
Subire mu kazi.
wasted time. All this fuss.
igihe kiri kudushirana n'ubundi dusubire mu kazi naribi
Very well.
baco
Bravo.
byiza hakuno
I gotta tell you, I don't like this guy at all.
reka nkubwire akantu Natalie.
Father of Alex's classmate Theo.
uribuka ko umwana wari umwana wiganye na Alex mu ishuri
For years.
kandi biganye imyaka myinshi iki
I mean, I only just met him myself.
uriya mugabo nibwo tugihura ariko ko mbona mwabipanitse mwese
And that's strange.
cyo buryo muri kwitwara ntabwo busanzwe pe umva Natalie ndaguhangayiki
Showing up out of nowhere, putting on a show.
uriya mugabo uzataguteguje akagusanga ahantu uri
That.
iki kibazo cye
Just stay away from the guy.
nyine mugume kure tu
Okay, George.
okay George
Speak your mind then. Don't hold back. Because
vuga ariko ibyo ushaka kuvuga ureke kwizirika iyo kure
Is that right? You're right, of course. It's because I can't make my own decisions, isn't it?
Is that what I said?
bisa nkaho mwese mwamubona nta kwifatira imyanzuro niko nkubwiye se
People. After all, you have 4 kids.
nyuma ya byose wibuke kuri nyina w'abana bane
George,
George
you have 3 children.
wowe ugira abana batatu
But
sibyo
you make the decisions about you. I don't try to decide who you see and who you don't see.
njye nari naza kugufatira imyanzuro y'uwo ureba n'uwo utareba uwo muhura n'uwo mudahura mu bana tu batangira gutongana
What if-
kandi umugore wa George ari ku ruhande ari kubibona gusa nyine Natalie agirana umwana na George hari ukuntu George abipanika
Could we go now?
twakwigendera hato
Don't run away, sit down.
bete uretse kugenda icara
Up from here.
oya arabibona abona umugabo ari
Brother.
gutongana n'umugore babyaranye itazahakura
Clinically, I have their names.
umva amazina y'aba bana ndayafite ni iki byose
Go if you want.
nimba ushaka gutaha watarata Natalie
You have a program?
uyu munsi niba wari ufite ikiganiro n'itangazamakuru ubundi wavuyemo kirabireba iki
You're right, Olga.
aho uzi ko ibyo uri kuvuga atari byo ruga
Continue.
mukomeze akazi igihe kanigendere abonye hano ibintu bitangiye kuba imiserero n'ibiki
Have fun.
Thank you.
muryoherwe kandi murakoze show Natalie ahita yiciraho na bouncer wiwe Oliver bahita bikomereza ni episode ya 90 kuri seri yacu mbibutse izagira episode 120 ubundi twirire show nta gutinda mu nzira nta kibazo na kimwe gihari
Find it for me. We're ready.
kumbe hakuno do X1 wa Natalie
Get back yet?
Yes, Mr. Steven.
abagiye bagarutse cyane
Enter the data into the system.
data muzishyire muri system
Sir. We're working on
Gangane.
it, but it should be fixed in the morning.
internet yavuye ariko mu gitondo biba byakemutse
Happened to it.
byagenze bite
Now,
byagenze bite
Everything we can
you need to
to...
do
turi
more.
gukora ibishoboka ibyo ari byo
I-
byose mukora ibi abagiye bagarutse cyane
Enter the data into the system.
data muzishyire muri system
Sir. We're working on
Gangane.
it, but it should be fixed in the morning.
internet yavuye ariko mu gitondo biba byakemutse
Happened to it.
byagenze bite
Now,
byagenze bite
Everything we can
you need to
to...
do
turi
more.
gukora ibishoboka ibyo ari byo
I-
byose mukora ibirenze natangira kwitera akamekap ataho ibuke ni umukirekazi niwe nyir'ivuriro bose ni abakozi be muze yamusigiye ivuriro ariko afite abagabo bamukorogoshora abana bakamuzonga haka ni Natalie bari kumushinja noneho ko asigaye akundana na za Kiridima byaye byo kajya ntabyo uyu wakuno
Hello, Mr. Zachary.
uraho Zakari
So sorry to turn you down.
mbabare
I
kugukatira
won't be able to come. I'm not in the mood.
ariko ntago ndi buze kuza ntago ndi muri mudu pe
So I'll have to decline your kind offer.
ni ukuri ibyo wari wansabye ndabikatiye ndabideclininze
Fine.
ndabyanze okay
I guess another time then.
ndakeka tuzabikora ubutaha Zakari ari kwikundishwa kuri uriya mugore kuko arabizi ko uriya mugore ari kumwe nawe ibyo yabwira Steven byose Steven yamwumva to
Is
a Hakuno.
guest coming, sir?
babashyitsi barazanye kuba
Oh,
oya
I'll go ahead and let the kitchen know.
sa reka nsubire mu gikoni sa naribi reka nsubire mu gikoni naribi njyewe
it's been a system crash at the hospital.
kureba hanabona message iturutse kwa Steven ati ku bitaro system yagiye hasi ntabwo uri bubashe kubona raporo umva
arrange for the cook and the staff.
bya biryo abundi babakozi bateka bari hehe
Yes, of course.
reka nze bakoherereze nta kibazo nyakubahwa yoherereza ba bakozi bateka mbereke ibyo dukora kumbe hakuno dore uriya mugabo yahemukiye to
Caesar, what are you doing?
Kayisari uri mu biki
Be crazy.
wasaze cyangwa
Relax.
tuza mwana baya mu kaguru arasa ikigoryi isebuja aramwirasira yabyutse aravuga ati ubundi sinkwiriye kuba ndyamye uriya mugabo yari ampemukiye yamwimukiye akiri umwana mutoya rasha ikigoryi do zana isiza murumuna we yambaye
listening, Brother Jonathan.
Open your ears and
bose bari kukumva muvandimwe Jonathan
listen to whatever Caesar's voice.
umva ibyo Kayizari ababwira byose mubikore munyumve hakuno.
Thank you, brother.
Zarakoze muvandi, urakoze. Urakoze rata.
Cannons, rifle, whatever else you've got.
N'abajinga mwibyo babwira byose muri kunyumva ko mugomba kubikora.
From now on,
wereka kandi icyo boss wanyu mutazongera no kumenyera. Uranyumva mutazongera no kumenyera. Ese mugire muze tugende kandi. Muze tugende do. Sasa Kayizari arakabye. We mugiye he cyangwa ibiki n'ibiki? Bahita baza bafata imbunda Kayizari arambya muze tugende. Arakabya atsindiye genge. Cya genge yose arayitsindiye. Mwibuke genge yaragiye kwizira ejo bundi ahura na Zack Lidima. Tayari yahise atsindira genge. Nimba bagiye simbizi. Baciyo ebe filime bitonze. Bibutse filime ica kuri dekoderi.
has Caesar been through here?
Ako Caesar yigeze anyura hano. Bashano twana twose do.
Hey,
Shaman yashano.
where did you find it?
Akavanye.
Your people came to the health screenings.
Uyu munsi baje gufata ibizamini by'abana kwa muganga.
Toys too?
Bande.
A big donor named Mr. Zachary brought the toys.
Ndakeka hari umugabo wabahaye ibi bikinisho bano bana bita Zakari. Hera mwibuka Zakari yarabaye muke bakiri abana. Buki. Yamana aramurwaje mu yari agiye kumwica buraga. Ibi ni ibiki?
Zachary's business.
Bisa nk'ari za business za Zaka. Kumwa Zakareba abana akabashimuta akajya kubakuramo injinga akazigurisha.
Caesar shot Yuri.
Umva muzi ko Caesar amaze kurasa Yuri harahiye haragurumanya. Aba ibibazo n'ibijya bishiruzi n'ikindi tugende. Mwibuke Yamani nawe n'umukapa bafite igiceri. Sekuru yasize amuraza imitungo ririya vuriro ryose n'irye nubwo yari sigiye nyina. Jean. Sochoho do. Gombe mama hakuno. Mu rugo yamaze gukatira Zakari. Aramubwira sindi buze kuza. Hakuno do. Florida. Florida hakuno.
Yes.
Farida?
Florida we.
Who is that?
Wowe ninde uri ku muryango?
Natalie,
Natalie.
can you come?
Wamfasha ukaza hano ku muryango ngaho.
Thing.
Natalie yahise yitahira mu rugo yanze kujya gusangira n'ikigabo cya Zack Lidima. Sita do. Ebe. Ukirano. Natalie dore Zack Lidima yahise yizira mu rugo. Karabaye. Yahise yizira mu rugo karabaye.
Zachary?
Zakari.
Seeing how you couldn't come to dinner,
Nabonye utari buze ngo dusangire ibya nimugoroba. Fata umwanzuro ngo mbikuzanire mu rugo njyewe. Ngaho harahiye harakurumanya. Yazanye n'abashefu do n'abatetsi karabaye. Bazanye na za tekawe na aluminium hari. Bazanye aluminium do.
Very surprising to see all of this.
Murantunguye kubona ibi bintu byose hano.
feel well, I started worrying about you.
Cyewe cyembwira ngo dumeze neza na sinagera kuguhangayikira.
Much better. Moreover, I brought a very famous Italian chef.
Ikirenze ibyo nazanye umushefu w'umutaliyani umutetsi w'umutaliyani urenze abandi bose.
I would be very happy if you could accept me in return for all my efforts.
Nabyishimira uramutse wemeye ibintu nje gukora hano tukagutekera tukakugaburira pe.
Then, why don't you go ahead and I'll go upstairs and change.
None se wakwinjiye mu nzu ugiye nkajya hejuru ngahindura.
Beautiful as you are now.
Kandi n'ubundi uri mwiza ugiye guhindura ibiki se?
Your company alone is enough.
Kuba uhari biba bimpagije njyewe biba bimpagije mayiro.
Going to change. Take our guests inside.
Reka mbanze njye guhindura umva injiza abashyitsi mu nzu.
Come on.
Mwinjire nyine mabuja bivuze mutumva. Mwinjire. Bite byanyu wagwani. Aje hano winjire. Sinzi n'iki. Ibi. Hano Zack Lidima azanye n'abakozi be n'abashefu be bazanye muri aluminium do. Bazanye muri aluminium. Kumbuye naye hakuno. No, ni Kayizari Caesar. Sizakuno ari mu modoka mwibuke yamaze gutsindira genge yakabye.
Ready.
Kiriya kigabo cyaramuhemukiye mwese muriteguye ariko Gerano barahagarara. Kumbe grand frère na sister bapaniye umuhanda. Nebe.
Going on.
Kikiri kuja mbere. Niko. Wagwan. Bageze nudu. Ni sister na grand frère Kalila Alicia na Yaman Ali. Soiselani. Bapaniye umuhanda do. Jamani.
What am I supposed to make of this?
Ibi ni ibiki murimo?
It means you can't go anywhere.
Hakuno do. Ajano. Iki Yaman?
This is my problem.
Urabizi ko bari ibibazo byanje nijyaye mu kiwe.
Here now.
Uri gukora iki hano ubu ngubu?
It's your problem?
Ni ibibazo byawe.
It's not our problem too.
Twe natwe ubwo ni ibibazo byacu tu. Yaman.
Stay out of this.
Ibi bintu wabivuyemo.
Ridiculous.
Hasi ugabanya ubugore.
Time no one will leave anyone behind.
Nicyo gihe ngo tureke gusiga uwo ari we wese inyuma. Uranyuma?
Just like it was then.
Apana nkabicyagiye nk'uko aba bahungu bawe utabasa.
There we die.
Nidupfa dupfane.
There we stay.
Nitugumana tugumane. Sibyo?
He found me. They've kept me again. Don't open it. Please don't open it.
Kumbe hakuno kakira akana katangiye kwibuka ibyabaye. Uwo muntu uri gukomanga ntimumukingurire. Ntimumukingurire. Ari kakiri gato bunzinya. Hakuno do. Sinzi ari gukomanga ngo ninde. Hano wari uri gukomanga. Mwibuke nibwo kari kakiva kuri wa mugabo ngo ni Zake Ridima. Ibyagakoreye byo ntiturabimenye yasohokanye buyedo gukingura hano. Mwicire bwana yasanze ari utundi twana twose tw'imihanda tw'utumarine. Buriya bwana bw'ubumarine shabira burakundana. Iyo bwabwiriwe buhira rimwe. Iyo umuneri wabonetse baratambazanye nka genge.
Don't be scared.
Wicire ubwoba mwana. Hakuno twana hano do.
Thank you so much.
Urakoze cyane. Hakuno twana. Twari turi hano. Rebe. Kirano. Akangaka. Gobo baba bwana kishe, bwabaga bwakishe kakaninyarira do. Ikasiza. Kaizari yaranshira kana gato Yamani yaje hano.
Don't fear that man. He cannot scare us.
Uriya mugabo ntuzongere kumutinya nagasongera kudutera ubwoba, sibyo? Gakuno. Ebe. Munsi umwe abana babyutse bikunguje do. Babyukana ibibiriti byanditseho barya ni super match.
Finish our unfinished business.
Business tutasoje kirege tuzazisoreza rimwe.
Jail.
Ariko sinshaka umwe muri twazajya muri gereza.
Bullet in his head.
Uriya mugabo ni ukwiriye kuzayijamo. Apana twebwe. Uranyumva? Sibyo?
But together.
Turi kumwe.
The three of us.
Twembi batatu.
Just like it was back then.
Nkuko byahoze cyagihe. Uriya mugabo tugomba kuzamushyira hasi mwe muhumure. Muhumure pe. Tuzamushyira hasi. Bagize gutya. Barahoberana ni famiye n'abana bahuriye imihanda biforumamo famiye. Yamani niwe mukuru muri bo, agakurikiraho Kaizari, agakurikiraho Karera. Kumbe hakuno waje guteretanya nawe Yamani do. Mwibuke bafitanye bifu umugabo bari kuvuga n'uyu niwe barwaye. Nubwo atabaza ariko bo baramuzi. Yaje wabo do. Hakuno. Zake Ridima kureba hano. cyana n'ahantu nkizira
Hurry.
abazi bakiri batoya.
Can I get you anything?
Gira ikintu nkuzanira boss.
For you.
Thanks, but I don't need anything before dinner.
Urakoze ariko nta kindi kintu nkeneye mbere yo kurya ibya nimugoroba. Dinner ryo si ibya nimugoroba we. Ngomba nasinze nawe. Kare nabona muzenya kwigendera Switzerland yiri mitungo wayigabanyije abantu nako yisigiye Yamani niwe yitangaguje ahubwo aravuga ati sinzarya nge nyine mugumana ibyanyu nanjye gumana ibyanje hakuno. Sasa umugabo kucerano hari foto yabonye iyi uriya mwana ntabwo amwibuka Yamani ribano arabizi ko yari we nyina wa Yamani kureba hano abanza avanaho nyina iki cyana nkizi hehe biramucanga iyi. Sasa umugabo nawe yatangiye kwibuka wari umunsi umwe byari nijoro ari mu muhanda yageze hakuno ari mu muhanda yageze hakuno Yamani yari akiri umwana muto hakuno umugabo nawe yari akiri umusore imvi zitaraba uruyenzi akabantu bo ku ruyenzi mwese mugira imvi muzandabure hakuno.
Where are the kids?
Abana batorokesheje bari he?
Where the hell are they?
Wachona bari
Hey,
hehe?
where the kids are? Huh?
Abana bari hehe
Wait.
musanze hano? Bamukubita umuhini mu mutwe sinzi wamutamitse umuhini. Nibwo umugabo yafashe agafoto kari karimo Yamani akiri mutoya. Ka gafoto Yamani yakuranye imihanda afite agafoto yakuranye kiwe yakuze afite ataze ngo nyina nuwe cyangwa iki ka Alicia kari hakuno na Kayizari bari kumwe. Nibuka ibyo umugabo yakoreye Kayizari nturabimenya ariko nje nkurikije uko mbitekereza ntekereza ko buri yamuvanyemo nk'urukiko cyangwa urutoryi kimwe muri ibyo. Ikibazo umugabo bahise bamuzana hano mu modoka iryo joro imodoka barayitwika barayicoma imodoka barayitwitse umugabo yagiye gushiduka hakuno bari bakira abana batodo bamukubise umuhini bamumena umutwe arahwera kiye gukanguka yisanga hakuno mu modoka napfuye abana hakuno bari baburi imbere yari Yamani Kayizari na Alicia mwabyana mwese mukamenyere nababwiye ngo bari hano bari bamufite bamudora kana yari yahemukiye ngakato ika Kayizari Yamani mwibuke yababereye grand frère kuva kera yari afite ni match n'akamatch hakuno oya afite ikijerekani cyari kivuyemo nimba ari essence nimba ari iki
Untie me!
bari bamufungiye kuri vora y'imodoka hano do.
Untie me! Untie me! Help! Help me!
Ntabyana mwe mwafashije ariko bari bamufungiye kuri vora y'imodoka bahita bayicana bamutwikiremo yari yamaze guhemukira uyu musore kari kakiri n'akana deje icyo gihe imodoka abana barayicomye bayishyize ku cyokezo do ngabo bamutwikiremo kamampaya n'ubundi byose kimwe bivuze ngo cya gikovu tujya tubonana umugabo mu gatuza ahantu yahiye afite ubushye bungana umusozi murabizi mu gatuza hafi umubiri wose yarahiye aba bana nibo babiteye bari kumwishyura ibyo yari yakoreye umwe muri bo urebe iyi filime ahubwo ngo ica kuri dekoderi ya Star Times kuri Gaza TV buri munsi kuva saa moya kugera saa 2 mugabo hakuno do amaze kubona umwana aramwibuka dore nyina w'umwana meze neza nyine
blood sugar
isukari binzamukanye apana nk'imwe yanzovu ngo
be a little moody.
bamusanzemo magana n'ahandi guri cyatanu do.
Thanks so much.
Rakoze cyane yaje hano ari kwitereteshwa umugore kumbi suko amukunze ahubwo amukeneyeho dilo baje hano basangire do.
Very good. Thank you so much.
Biraryoshye cyane, urakoze cyane, ni wa mutetsi ngo w'umutaliyani. Do. Umugabo ariko akibona ifoto ya Yamani mu mutwe byamucanze, turoma yamufasha.
Mr. Zachary.
Mr. Zachary. Muraba.
Can I ask you a question?
Kiri kibazo nkubaza.
Do you always like this?
Buri gihe ubumeze gutya cyangwa?
You mean?
Shatse kuvuga?
I don't know. It seems to me that you like big moves.
Sinzi ariko bisa nkaho ushaka gukora ibintu bihambaye buri gihe.
No.
Sinzi.
You think so?
Niko ubitekereza?
I don't feel like what I'm doing are big moves.
Chemba mbona nta kintu cya danger nakoze.
So maybe this is your nature.
Ubwo niyo kamere yawe, sibyo?
We can say that.
Reka tubivuge gutyo, reka tubivuge gutyo.
Show appreciation.
Kandi ndagushimiye kuba ubibona gutyo wowe.
Pictures like this one today.
Usibye nakoze uyu munsi. Nta bya danger pe.
I guess I'm the chosen one here.
Ndakeka uyu munsi ari njye wari watoranyijwe ngo binkorere. Hakuno. Nibuke Natali nawe afite igiceri abameze neza. Isi yamusigiye ivurira, amusigira universite. Urumva igiceri kiba gihari nta kibazo n'abana be baba bagifite. Ariko uyu mugabo yahemukiye umwana wari waravuye mu rugo, baramushimusa akorera imihanda, yaramuhemukiye ku buryo uriya mwana imihanda iba yaranze kumushiramo. Hakuno. Kureba hano.
Steven still hasn't sent the medical data. There's little time left. The men are waiting. They're very nervous.
Sasa kureba hakuno ati nimba batarakoherereza raporo zo kwa muganga abana basuzumye, umenye ko twari guhereza inginga kigutegereje nta gihe asigaranye. Ngiye kiri gutya ahita afotora Natali, ari kumeza Natali ntiyabibona. Kikubu cyara mufotoye. Kirangije kigira gutya. Ifoto takiyoherereza nde Steven Selhani. Uwahoze ari umugabo wande Natali batandukanye no mu mategeko ariko bafitanye abana. Bapfuye Yamani ari mwibuke nabyo. Kigabo hano cyaje muri rugata ruko kimukunze. Kuko yari kugerageza yinjize data muri system yazanye umuhakado. Yazanye mu IT. Hakuno do. Ureba. Yabonye ifoto y'umugore we. Yahoze ari umugore nubwo batandukanye ariko abakimukunda namwe murabyumva.
Believe me, Steven. I'm having a great time with your family. We don't want it to turn into a nightmare.
Uyu mugore abanageranye igihe cyiza n'umuryango wawe, rero sinshaka ko tuza kubihindura indoto mbi.
5 minutes.
Ngwa iminota 5 yonyine. Uba yampereje ibyo nshaka.
We're out of time. Hurry.
Umva umusigiye cyadushiranye gira vuba.
Say something.
Igihe cyadushiranye gira vuba.
Get locked. What's wrong?
Kibazo cyari ko kudakora ibyo nkubwira, hakuno system.
System's fixed, Mr. Steven.
System igarutse ku murongo Steven.
We need data now.
Biradufata igihe kingana iki ngo abana bose data zabo zibe zagezemo batangira kuzinsatingamo. Umwana ku wundi batangira kuzishyira muri system. Hakuno. Rebe.
Come on.
Kiragira tugire bataragira bakagira.
Come on.
Biragufata igihe kingana iki mwana wagize vuba. Hakuno.
Okay, it's all in the system.
Off you go then.
Byose byageze muri system sawa, urakoze cyane kabisa. Mugabo itacaho. Amakuru yashakaga Steven we uyashaka. Steven bahuje umugore.
Do you have that health screening done so quickly?
Ese ibintu byo kujya gusuzuma abana kuki mwabikoze mwihuse?
Ask you how to do my job?
Anose nzajya gusaba uburenganzira bw'uko nkora akazi kanjye.
This Zachary Demian.
Ese ibi bintu bifite aho bihuriye na Zachary Demian?
What happened?
Cyangwa Zachary Demian?
Out there today.
Byageze bitu umunsi yashariya.
I wondered if you let him know.
Sinzi niba yarigeze ubimubwira wowe cyangwa mwarabiganiriyeho.
I don't know.
Sinzi.
Maybe he came for Natalie.
Wabona yaje kureba Natali. Wiki?
He went to her house for dinner.
Ubu bari kumwe mu rugo bari gusangira ngo
my children live.
Steven, look, they say this man is dark.
Umba Steven, uriya mugabo wambwiye ko akira amabanga menshi.
No, George.
Humura George ndabizi.
Natalie doesn't realize what she's doing.
Ikibazo Natali ntagazi ibyo ari kwishoramo.
And my children.
Ikibazo azanabishoramo umwana wanjye, abana banjye sorry. Uyahise abimenya ko nawe umwana we ari mukangaratete mwibuke. Steven, iwe se wande, iwe se wa Alicia, Eva na Alex. Hanyuma Yamani akaba ari umwana wande wa George, gusa bose bahuje nyina. Yavuye hano.
No. And Alex? Neither's he. I got it.
yasohotse ari guhamagara ni George barakwereka kumbe Yamani hakuno ari kumwe nande Yamani yahise atahana na Kalisha.
Anything?
Papa, I mean Alex, ni kibazo ki?
Now. Okay.
Sawa. Hakuno. Sinzi ibyo yamwoherereje. Werereje ifoto y'akana hano. Kakana kabana n'ubumuga. Bisa nk'aho ariko basanze gahuje amaraso nande n'umugabo bashaka guhereza ingingo. Bazakiritimo. Gasa. Kakana se. Byose ni amakuru bari kuvana muri telefone ya Leila. Mwibuke Alex yayigezemo, hari application yesitayemo, application imuha amakuru yose ashoboka kwereka kumbe hakuno babana bituriye mu gatsata munsi y'ikiraro hariya hari imodoka yahaparitse, hari akana bazanye kakana kabana n'ubumuga bwo kutavuga bagapakiye hano. Twe twamaze kubona ko ariko gahuje n'abande.
Can't take you.
We ntitwakujyana.
Get well and come back soon, okay?
Merina ugenda ukire witugaruka sibyo? Nta kibazo nakana katavuga karishimye icyo katazi bagiye kugasaruramo ingingo. Mama we rebe hakuno sinzi refilime witonze gake gake bucuce mu gace. Akana barakajyanye bakabeshye ngo basanze ngo gafite indwara ngo zandura diye ikiraho yego.
Is Melina there with you?
Merina muracyari kumwe?
The soldier's also back.
Oya bamujyanye kwa muganga.
Okay, where's she?
Rwaye indwara yanduye.
We're in an ambulance.
Bazanye ambulance baramujyanye.
There are people.
Umva.
Don't let her go.
Utaza kureka umwana ngo bamujyane karabaye utareka uwo mwana ngo bamujyane. Cyamani yarabimenye kumva ambulance irasohotse. Ambulance irasohotse.
Brother, they took Melina away.
Muvandi baramujyanye. Babanye ambulance irenga bamujyanye gute so arebagahe. Ntacyo nari mfite cyo gukora. Hakuno baramujyanye. Gasabye. Aba bose bari hano. Rebe. Bibutse iyi filime. Uca kuri dekoderi ya Star Times. Kuri Ganza TV. Buri munsi kuva saa moya kugera saa mbiri za buri mugoroba. Kuva kuwa mbere kugera kuwa gatanu. Arumva. Cye namwe tuba tugendana gatanu kuri gatanu ubundi ndabakunda ndanabafana. Turi inshuti se abantu mwese muri kureba iyi filime. Cyamani yatsere imodoka cyo kumbe twigarukira hakuno Serena na Uruga hakuno.
How did it go today?
Umunsi wari umeze ute?
Pretty good.
Byari byiza pe.
With Natalie?
Uri kumwe na Natalie kuri te?
He's having dinner with Mr. Zach right now.
Natalie bari gusangira na Zach. Yeah?
Does George know about this?
George subwe ibyo bintu arabizi umugabo wawe. Ibuke George nawe yabyaranye na Natalie kumbe George hakuno do. Murabaye bacho yiruka.
Something urgent came up.
Bimeze bite? Hari ikintu kibaye cyihutirwa.
At least tell me where you're going.
Mbwira uti.
Natalie.
Je kureba Natalie ndaje. Uyu mugabo yita kuri Natalie biri too much. Bitari ngombwa kandi afite umugore we.
Don't say anything.
Wigira ikintu mbwira. Ndabizi ugiye kunyongera umunyu mu gise.
Exactly what you're going to say.
Ibyo ari ugiye kumbwira kuri Zakari ndabizi ibyo ugiye kuvuga byihorera.
It's justified in a war. At least in this field.
Ndabizi ukuntu je niyumva mbare utagira ijambo urenzaho Serena.
Won't tell George that I lost a baby.
Sirinda abwira George yuko inda yanjye yavuyemo kandi nawe utazigera ubimubwira ko umwana namubuze. Rebe ni kuri dekoderi ya Star Times kuri Ganza TV. Bye bye.